Hello everyone. Many of you ask me in comments below my videos if there is a way to change the shape and size of your nose by just doing massages and exercises. I want to share with you the story of my life, or more precisely, the story of my nose. When I was 6 years old, I broke my nose. How did you manage? I was just running and fell on my face. Was it painful? I don't remember. When I was 18 years old, I had a surgery on my nose because the consequences of childhood trauma didn't allow me to breathe normally. But it didn't change my nose. It was still pointing to the right, and the nostrils were on a different level and had different size. And 1.5 years ago, I decided to try working on my nose myself. And as you can see the result, it got way straighter. The nostrils are now on the same level and have similar size. I was doing an easy complex that I'm gonna share with you today. But first of all, I want to tell about the structure of your nose. Your nose consists of nasal bone, cartilage that forms the shape of your nose, and soft tissues on the end, which are skin and muscles. One thing that we need to do is to loosen the lateral nose muscle so that the wings of your nose would stay on the same level. On another hand side, we are training the vertical nose muscle in order to keep the tip of your nose pointy. It is not really hard to work with the cartilage. First of all, because it's hydrophilic and therefore has a tendency to swelling, which can make your nose look bigger. And secondly, it's soft and therefore is easy to correct. Nasal bone is only 1/3 of your nose, and it's also possible to work with it. But of course, it takes time. As my nose was moved to the right, I was working from the right side, doing deep, consistent pushing motions, imagining that I can actually move the bone's position. And with the left finger, I was keeping the left side of my nose in place. I was doing this exercise every second day for 5 minutes. After that, I was massaging the wings of my nose in the place of their attachment in order to soften them. And after that, moving upwards along the lateral muscle in order to loosen it. After that, with my fingers, I grab the place of the wings attachment and massage it in order to soften it. After that, I continued with intranasal massage. With my thumb, I was working through the wings of my nose and the cartilage. After that, I was working even more on the cartilage, going through the areas above my upper lip, in the place of my nose attachment, through the wings of my nose, and the tip of my nose in soft, pressing motions. All of that I continued for a couple of minutes, and after that moved on to strengthening of the vertical muscle. Doing the exercise from face gymnastics with your pointing finger, lifting the tip of my nose up and trying to bring it back down using the muscles of my nose. Doing about 30 repetitions. After that, gently pressing through the tip of my nose and the wings of my nose. And repeating the exercise again, 30 more repetitions. Again, gently pressing through the tip of my nose and the wings. And another exercise that is going to elongate and loosen the lateral nose muscle. For that, bring your thumb inside your nose and with the pointing finger, move through the lateral nose muscle, stretching and elongating it. After you're done working with your nose, you need to make sure that you improve your lymphatic flow and get the excessive liquid away from your face. Go with gentle pressing motions through your face, starting from the center of your face, moving along the lymphatic flow, down along the side of your neck. After I've been doing this complex for 2 months, I already seen the first changes. The wings of my nose got narrower and the nostrils got more symmetric. But I'm asking you not to go super hard on this method, because if you're gonna try to change your nose in 1 week, you're just gonna get more swelling. It takes a long time to correct your nose, but I'm sure you're going to see the results. But here I'm only sharing my experience, and for everybody this journey is special. I could see the results after 2 months, but it might take you 1 month or half a year. But you're definitely gonna see the result. I would recommend to do a photo before you start with the exercising, so that you can compare it after a month. If you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And click the bell to see our newest video.